Hey decorators, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the magical world of Christmas decorations for your home. Whether you're a minimalist looking for something sleek and stylish or someone who loves a good traditional, over-the-top festive vibe, I've got a ton of ideas and suggestions to get your home ready for the holiday season. Let's start with the heart of most holiday decorations, the Christmas tree. This is often the centerpiece of your festive decor, so you want it to look just right. For a classic look, you can't go wrong with traditional red and gold ornaments. These colors are warm and inviting, and they really bring that cozy Christmas feeling to any room. Mix in some twinkling white lights and maybe even a bit of tinsel for that extra sparkle. If you want to add a personal touch, consider hanging some homemade ornaments or ones that have special memories attached to them. For those who love a more modern aesthetic, a monochrome tree can be incredibly striking. Think all-white decorations with a hint of silver or gold. It's sleek, stylish, and gives your home a sophisticated holiday vibe. Another modern approach is using non-traditional colors like blues and purples, or even a themed tree, like all things related to a favorite hobby or character. Don't forget about the tree topper. Whether you go for a classic star, an angel, or something more unique like a bow or a custom-made topper, it really finishes off the look of your tree. And for the tree skirt, pick something that complements your overall color scheme. It hides the tree stand and adds an extra layer of decoration. Moving on to the rest of the house, let's talk about mantels and shelves. These are prime spots for spreading some holiday cheer. Garlands are a great way to decorate mantels. You can use fresh pine garlands for a lovely scent, or faux garlands that you can reuse year after year. Add some string lights, ornaments, and maybe even some ribbon for a fuller look. Stockings are a must-have for the mantel. Personalize them with names or initials, and they can become a lovely family tradition. Shelves can be decorated with smaller items like mini Christmas trees, candles, and festive figurines. If you have a bookcase, consider wrapping a few books in holiday paper to make them look like presents. This is a simple but effective way to bring a bit of Christmas spirit into every corner of your home. Windows are another area that shouldn't be overlooked. Window clings are an easy and inexpensive way to decorate. You can find a variety of designs from snowflakes to Santa Claus. If you want to go a bit fancier, consider hanging wreaths or ornaments in front of your windows. You can use suction cups or ribbons to secure them. And of course, don't forget about the window sills. Add some small decorations like candles, pine cones, or small potted plants to give your windows a festive look. Speaking of wreaths, they aren't just for windows. A beautiful wreath on your front door is a welcoming sight for guests. You can buy one ready-made, or if you're feeling crafty, make your own. Use a foam or wire wreath form and attach pine branches, berries, ribbons, and other decorations with floral wire or hot glue. If you want something a little different, consider a wreath made from ornaments, fabric, or even one shaped like a snowflake. Now let's talk about the dining table. A beautiful Christmas table setting can make your holiday meals feel even more special. Start with a festive tablecloth or runner. Layer it with some chargers, your best dinnerware, and holiday-themed napkins. For the centerpiece, you can go with a classic arrangement of candles and greenery, or something more elaborate like a Christmas village scene or a collection of ornaments in a decorative bowl. Don't forget about the little details. Place cards, napkin rings, and festive glassware all add to the overall look. One of the best parts of holiday decorating is creating a cozy atmosphere, and there's no better way to do that than with lighting. Fairy lights are incredibly versatile and can be used almost anywhere on your tree, around your windows, along your mantel, or even in clear jars or vases for a simple yet stunning decoration. Candles are another great way to add warmth and light to your home. Choose holiday scents like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla to really make your home feel festive. If you have kids or pets, consider using LED candles for safety. Don't forget about your outdoor space. A few well-placed decorations can make your home look festive and inviting from the outside. String lights around your porch, along the roofline, or in the trees and bushes. Add some lawn ornaments like reindeer, snowmen, or even a nativity scene. A beautiful wreath or garland around your front door can tie it all together. For those who love a bit of there are endless possibilities. Make your own ornaments from salt dough or clay, paint pine cones and add some glitter, or create a festive garland from paper snowflakes or popcorn. DIY decorations are not only budget-friendly, but they also add a personal touch to your holiday decor. One charming idea is to create a Christmas village. This can be a wonderful centerpiece for a table or a lovely display on a sideboard. Start with a base of fake snow, which you can find at most craft stores, and then arrange miniature houses, trees, and figures. You can add little touches like fairy lights to illuminate the village, or even set up a tiny train set that winds its way through the scene. These little villages can grow year by year as you add new pieces, making it a delightful tradition. Another fun decoration idea is to transform your home with themed rooms. You can give each room a different holiday theme, like a winter wonderland in the living room with lots of white, silver, and blue decorations, a rustic lodge theme in the dining room with lots of natural elements like pine cones, wooden decorations, and plaid patterns, and a Candyland theme in the kitchen with lots of bright colors, gingerbread houses, and candy canes. This makes decorating an adventure and adds a playful element to your home. For those who have kids, getting them involved in the decorating process can be a lot of fun. Set up a craft day where you make homemade decorations together. You can create paper chains, popcorn garlands, and salt dough ornaments that they can paint and hang on the tree. Another idea is to have a small tree just for the kids where they can hang their own decorations and even have some fun, child-friendly ornaments like plush characters or toys. A beautiful yet simple idea is to decorate with natural elements. Pine cones, holly, ivy, and sprigs of pine can be used in a variety of ways. Create a stunning centerpiece for your table with a mix of these natural elements and a few candles. Fill clear glass bowls or vases with pine cones and fairy lights for an easy but beautiful decoration. And don't forget about the traditional mistletoe. Hang it in a doorway for some holiday romance. When it comes to the kitchen, don't overlook the potential for some festive flair. Swap out your everyday towels and pot holders for holiday-themed ones. Fill glass jars with colorful Christmas candies or cookies. If you have open shelves, add some holiday mugs or plates to the display. Baking cookies and gingerbread houses not only makes the kitchen smell amazing, but also adds a festive touch and creates more opportunities for family fun. Another area that can benefit from a bit of holiday cheer is the bedroom. Swap out your regular bedding for something more festive, like a red plaid comforter or a set with a wintry pattern. Add some cozy throw blankets and pillows in holiday colors. A small tree in the corner or some fairy lights around the headboard can make the room feel magical. Let's not forget about the bathroom. It's a small space, but you can still add a few festive touches. Holiday-themed hand towels, a Christmas-scented candle, and a little holiday sign or figurine can make the space feel special. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even swap out the shower curtain for one with a holiday design. One last tip: don't be afraid to mix and match styles and colors. The most important thing is that your decorations make you feel happy and festive. After all, Christmas is all about joy and celebration, so have fun with it. I hope these additional ideas have sparked your creativity and given you some inspiration for your holiday decorating. Remember, the best decorations are the ones that make you feel happy and bring joy to your home. Enjoy the process, involve your family, and make wonderful memories along the way. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these ideas helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more holiday tips and tricks. Happy decorating, and Merry Christmas!